Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining video 3 in this series on getting started with the Our Sci Reflectometer. Today, we're going to continue to just go through this one pager that comes with your kit. In a previous video, we set up our Android phone and connected to Wi-Fi. So now we can get going with going to the app. If you're an Our Sci user, you should go to surveystack.io. If you're a BFA user, you should go to bionutrient.surveystack.io. And then in the same video, we will choose our survey and we will install the SurveyStack Kit app, which you only have to do one time. And it makes it so that SurveyStack can connect with your reflectometer and run measurements. So let's get started. First, and you can see this is my Android screen on the left with obviously the one pager on the right. So we're going to get started by clicking into Chrome. And I would like to go to, I'm going to go to bionutrient.surveystack.io. So BFA users, this is exactly what you'll do. RSI users, just go to surveystack.io. And once I'm here, it will ask me if I want to log in or register if I don't have a login. You should do this if you want to be able to return to your data. If you just want data in the moment, you don't want to be able to return and view previous submissions, you can just get started. I'm just going to get started now because I don't care to return to the submission later. So I'm going to get started. A description of the survey, what this does, the fact that our samples are still in development and your work is helping develop them. And then I can start the survey up here. So getting started. Right now, I'm just going to click yes so that I can get to this next screen, warm-up device. And this has the install Android app button in green. As you can see, this is for SurveyStack Kit app. It's necessary to run any measurements with the reflectometer. So for example, running warm-up, right? So to communicate with the reflectometer, you need this installed. As a note though, this will show up every time on this page, regardless of if you have the app installed. So there's a warning here if you click install. In blue, hey, if you already have this installed, you don't need to do it again. Don't worry about it. You're good to go. If you don't have it installed, so like, for example, I've uninstalled this app, I'm going to install it again. I want to click download APK. That's the installer. If you haven't done this before, it will just say, do you want to download app-debug.apk? It won't have this again. As I said, I've had this before. I'm going to click download and I'm going to click open. So that's opening the installer. And okay, my Chrome settings tell me that I can't install from unknown apps yet. So I need to go into settings and I need to allow from the source being Google Chrome. And now I can go back and I can click install. So now it will allow me to do it. Once it installs, and it might take a minute, that's okay. Let's see. Once it installs, you can just click done. You could choose to open it. I'm just going to show you why that's not particularly useful. This app is best used with the SurveyStack web app. So as I said, this is just the way that the Our Sci Reflectometer communicates with SurveyStack. All of the commands are first initiated in SurveyStack. So you really should get started in the web app. So I'm just going to go back and close this. And now I'm back in SurveyStack. If I wanted to run this warm-up, I could because I have the SurveyStack Kit app installed. But I'm going to stop this video here. And the next thing that we'll do in the next video is calibrate our device, followed by running our actual measurements. Those will be 2 separate videos. So great. Thanks for watching. And I hope that this was helpful.